The drive technology used in steel-making plants and rolling mills has to meet the highest demands. Sturdy and reliable drive technology is essential to achieve a top-quality product and high plant availability. For decades, SMS CMOG has been specializing in the development, design, and manufacturing of drive systems and components. Optimum drive solutions have been achieved through the combination of process know-how of metallurgical plant and rolling mill technology with up-to-date gear design. SMS CMOG's product range comprises all drive systems for hot and cold rolling mills, as well as steel-making plants. For rolling mills, SMS CMOG supplies main drive gears, mill pinion gears, and twin drive gear units for shears, edgers, sizing presses, and coilers. C-Flex gear-type spindles and slipper-type spindles are designed for highest torque requirements. For AOD and BOF converters, SMS CMOG supplies tilting drives, the gear components are developed and manufactured entirely at SMS CMOG's home offices and workshops in Germany. In the last few years, we have invested more than 80 million euros in the expansion of our Hilchenbach workshop. An essential part of this expansion is our new gear-making shop. This is where we have integrated all major manufacturing steps for our large gear units. In doing so, we can guarantee top quality and short delivery times for our customers. Thanks to the modern machinery pool in the Hilchenbach workshop, SMS CMOG is able to fabricate gears with a module of up to 40 and with a diameter up to 6 meters. The fabrication of a large gear wheel starts in the welding shop. Fully mechanized submerged arc welding is used by SMS CMOG on all joints. After welding, the gear wheels are annealed for stress relief. The toothing is milled with state-of-the-art machines and under the constant supervision of qualified personnel. Here we see the case hardening of a double helical spur gear, weighing approximately 45 metric tons and with a diameter of 4.5 meters. Ultrasonic testing of the gear teeth after case hardening. Grinding of the tooth flanks on the profile grinder. The finished gears are subjected to high precision tests on a separate gear measuring machine. The gear housings are also produced in-house at the SMS CMOG workshop. The entire gear unit is pre-assembled and the gear contact pattern adjusted. Using eccentric sleeves, the gear contact pattern and the clearance of the toothing can be precisely adjusted with a computer-aided program. Even after many years in operation, any corrections needed due to foundation settling can be made by using these eccentric sleeves. The workshops of SMS CMOG and Hilchenbach are very impressive. From my point of view, they are the most up-to-date workshops in Europe, especially in the field of gear manufacturing. I think that compared to the competitors, SMS ZMOG has the advantage of also understanding the entire rolling process, in addition to their abilities in manufacturing and gear making. This puts them in a position to supply well-designed and perfectly dimensioned gear units for hot rolling mills. Proof of SMS ZMOG's expertise is demonstrated in tailor-made modernization solutions. For example, at Aleris Aluminum in Koblenz, Germany, SMS ZMOG replaced the entire drivetrain in just a few days. The installation of the twin-drive gearbox was one of the most spectacular revamps in the last few years. Without interrupting operation, SMS ZMOG mounted the new drive and the motors on a foundation block and moved this block, after completing all function tests successfully, to the position of the old drive unit, which had meanwhile been dismantled. That time it was like open-heart surgery. A project like that can only be implemented with a partner on which you can rely 100%, just like SMS ZMOG. SMS ZMOG designs the drive components in accordance with strict in-house company standards, using continuously updated tools such as 3D CAD systems. Special calculation programs allow for the optimization of the toothing geometry. The designs can be implemented rapidly by means of an interface between work scheduling and production control. Detailed work and production schedules, as well as the logging of work operations, guarantee high quality step by step. Highly qualified and experienced employees work in production, almost all of whom have completed their vocational training with SMS ZMOG. Regular intervals of advanced training help SMS ZMOG employees to achieve the high level of qualification. Comprehensive service plans are offered by SMS ZMOG to maintain the performance of the drives. These include extensive inspection services and monitoring systems for the gear units. Information on temperature, torques, and vibrations are used for preventive maintenance. Drive engineering from SMS ZMOG. This means competent performance from one single source. Starting with development and design, to the in-house workshop with welding shop, machining and assembly, to project management, electrical and automation systems, right on through to our service department. The result, tailor-made solutions that enhance and sustain the customer's competitiveness.